Amen. Tozan. Hope everyone is doing well. Guys, I need to share something with you. Something very, very strange happened to me. I've seen very strange things, but this one was the last number. The topic for today is who heals the healer. I need healing, I need counseling. Yes, I bathed myself. Yes, I prayed. Yes, I did everything. But wait, guys, right? Whoever comes to me, I work on appointment basis. I confirm a appointment. There comes a beautiful girl, beautiful, pretty. Oh, okay, let me say pretty because there's a difference between beautiful and pretty, and some people don't know about that, right? I figure ooh, she's beautiful. Do you know these people that, I mean, she's pretty, not beautiful, pretty. When I was this lava, the skin is butter. You know, right? We get in and then I start doing a reading. I pray first before I do a reading because I'm on the prayer side. I'm a prophetess. I pray for people. How? I go, lady. I mean, I look at her, I see this beautiful, innocent young girl. She's in her 20s, by the way. Guys, I know the law, I know the Poppy Act. If you happen to hear me, Mdazi, I did not mention your name. There are many pretty girls around, right? When I pray, I'm being shown that this lady, you used to go to the graves to get the riches. I saw people digging the grave. I saw her getting in half. I saw her attracting men that has got money. I saw her being given the lots of money because the car that she drives and the skin, we are glow. Skin like a city millionaire. Right. When I see those things, I say this is a young girl, and then I thought, oh, maybe God is lying to me today for the first time in my life. And then I say, I'm seeing this ritual that you once did. You went to a grave and then you bought powers to attract people that has got money, or to get money, to get favors for money. She says, Ushayikhona mkhulu. Yes. Huh? Okay. I said, is it you that did that? She said, yes. I said, but why? She said, I did not come here to be judged. I came here to get divination and way forward. And then I said, okay, I see that. And then the person that you went for, that they used in the grave, became a snake. So the reason why you are here, yes, you got lots of money, but this snake is now starting to torment you at night. Somebody prayed for that person in the family, and now you are now getting tormented because of what you did. She said, yes, every night I get chased by a snake. I've not been sleeping for 10 days in a row. But she was still glowing. She was still beautiful. But she says she hasn't slept for the past 10 days. And then I said to him, I said, yo, it's difficult. During that time, while I was busy praying and praying for her and casting, her eyes became like this, and then she started to to make snake moves. Snake moves. And she's a figure of 8. Hey, when hey! I got so scared, but you know what? I started to pray. I took water, poured the water on top of her body. And then I said, no. Then she changed her voice. She was going, like, you know. And then I said, oh my God, this is a pretty girl. What's going on? And then she changed her voice. I continued praying. I put water. I called upon people that my spiritual kids that are doing the doing the spiritual school at school are being mentored, being there's a oh ngathi isana ma ice, bring ice, the water is not enough. I prayed. I put water on top of her. Guys, she kept moving on. And then my spiritual kids were there and they couldn't help me, and then they're just holding her legs, they're just holding the head, you know, so that she doesn't get hurt. She manifested that snake. So she took a snake via the grave, and now the snake is sleeping with her. She's getting lots of money. She's tired of getting lots of money because she no longer sleeps. She's dating these high profile people. And then if she mentioned the price, she gets given. So guys, be careful who you date. Imagine you're a young man. This is a beautiful woman and you happen to date her. What's going to happen to you? What's going to happen to you? Well, upon praying and using water, sprinkling her with water until she was so wet, she came back to her normal senses. And when she comes back to her normal senses, she doesn't even know what happened. Imagine if that thing happened in the mall. And then from there, I told her, the last time I was doing divination, and then I told you what happened, and then you confirmed that you went to a grave, and then this is what was done to you, because now you were trying to fend for yourself. So I'm in the process of healing her completely, but it's not easy. It's not an easy journey. It's not going to be a one-day thing. So guys, some of the things as healers, we go through a lot. We go through a lot. People that are gifted, people that are not gifted, they want the gift. People that are gifted fully, truly, we don't want the gift because it comes with a lot. Because this girl became powerful, and then she moves and moves like this and moves like this, and from there you can feel strong. And then the other thing, God said, the voice of God and my ancestors, because I was communicating with everybody. Now I was asking for help from my guiding spirits and God, and then they said, you need to ask for forgiveness from the person that was used, because now she's being tormented because of the spiritual person that they woke up in the grave. This person worked for her and worked for her. She's driving. Guys, I don't want to mention because now it will be obvious. Now it's payback time, and she did this only 2 years ago. She got everything, but now she's being haunted. Guys, healers out there, let's share what you go through. Let's share what we go through. And this lady, she says she's been to so many people. Like she's been to so many people. She went somewhere, she was told to appease this spirit with a goat. The other place, she had to appease with, I think, 7 chickens, but it still didn't work. I said, I'm not going to use anything. I will use me and water, because I've got authority. I know how to command. So baba ne waking up, akakapholi kahle yena ngifuna uqamba amanga. She's not yet well. We are still in this journey of as pale. Good tough la ngaphandle, guys. It's not easy. So healers out there, I need your support. I need your hug. You can share with me in the comment section what you experienced, to the young people or to men or to women. Yeah, guys, get up and go and work. Hamba uyosebenza, bantwana abancane hambani esikolweni. Get a profession. Get a profession. Work. Sell something. Bobaba nabantwana abancane babafana. See who you date. Before you go and sleep with a person, go and pray. Go and decide. Well, I'll say go and pray because when I pray. Or maybe go do divination and check ukuthi loyo muntu loyo phila naye. Umuntu right na. Agana wama spirits. Imagine the people that slept with that girl. She's, hey, irresistible umntwana. Hey, where she's a machimbosi. Muhle. But look what happened to her. Look what happened to her. And typically, if she goes to maybe other people and then they tell her, hey, unalibadimu, the next thing, we are twasiswa leso spirit manje sesihlala kakhulu emzimbeni wakhe. If she gets initiated with that particular spirit that she took from the grave because she wanted riches, then all hell break loose. Because it's only been 2 years, and then in those 2 years, she's suffering. She is suffering. I did not even take inkanyiso yakhe, guys, afterwards because I was so scared it's gonna mix with mine. I said, no, this is fine, it's fine, it's fine. I prayed for you, it's okay. Wabonga, umntana bantu, guys. Why? Because you people like competition. You haven't accepted that we're not the same. Competition. If you pray, uplift your guiding angels, uplift your guiding spirits. Spirits uplift them with prayer. You are going to get everything that you want. You are going to get things that will be yours forever and ever on earth. You're going to leave a legacy. Not easy come, easy go. Look at it now. Not sleeping for the past 10 days. She's being tormented by a spirit that she knows nothing about. She doesn't even know how to appease that person. Because bavele bathatha nje igrave basebenza ngayo bamfaka kuyo. Khona manje she becomes a snake anytime. Such a beautiful girl. She's so beautiful, guys. You. Hey, muhle. Muhle. I don't want to be jealous. But uNkulunkulu muhle, I'm taking her through stages and stages and stages. One day, if she says she doesn't mind to talk about this in front of everybody with me, I'm going to do that on you. But now I cannot because we've got acts and omissions that we need to follow. We cannot just say people's names the way we want, because the very same file that I used to open that site, I still have a file. I protect people's private information, but this is just to share with you. This is just for you to see what is happening in the world. This is a spiritual phenomenon that I came across. In case you are a young girl that you get influenced by your friends to go and do that thing, guys, it only lasted 2 days, and many a times she might lose all the cars or everything that she bought using that money from that spirit. Work hard, man. It's nice, it's clean. Don't compare yourself with anyone. let's meet go comment section. Umelaphi, even if you are not a healer, if you are a spiritually gifted person, you are a pastor, you are still a healer. Let's talk about this, because who heals a healer? We also need your hugs. We also need comfort from you guys. Balandeli betu. Thank you so much. Siantanda. Len. Our foot.